Modern industries are replacing traditional analog signals with clean, noise-resistant PWM signals. PWM switches ON and OFF instead of holding steady voltage, reducing heat and power consumption. PWM sensors are widely used to measure position, pressure, speed, and more. Traditional sensors like potentiometers use mechanical contact, which wears out over time. PWM encoders are more resistant to dust, oil, vibration, and shock. PWM works by changing the duty cycle of a digital signal to represent physical values. Frequency remains constant. The period is the inverse of frequency. Duty cycle is the ON time divided by total cycle time. For example, 0.5 seconds ON in 2 seconds equals 25%. As rotation changes, duty cycle varies from 10 to 90%, representing the full measurement range. Values outside this range indicate possible sensor faults. You can easily test PWM sensors using a digital multimeter with frequency and duty cycle functions. PWM sensors are reliable, efficient, and easy to troubleshoot with basic tools. I hope you understand the benefits of PWM signal. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.